Here's an interesting car for the Halloween time. Again, it's a video of a video that I took at Old Town Kissimmee, and somebody very thoughtfully brought along a display here for Halloween. We have a ghost in the front. We have an early 50s MG, I would say. And we have somebody in the passenger seat, which we will see. Notice the spider there, very large spider, extra large tarantula, probably exposed to radiation, I'm sure, as in the old movies. Nice upholstery and a nice dash. And here we have the mummy. Yes, in all its resplendent glory. Lots of gauges, let you know what's happening under the hood. This is the kind of car that brought excitement to the U.S. in terms of a neat little car you could run around in. You could shift the gears in the car and actually hear the gears and the wind in your hair, and hopefully just going down back roads. We have a little skeleton there too. There's Junior. Oh, we have somebody under the hood. We've got the arm sticking out.